guys, and welcome to today's video. I know I look a little, that's probably because I just got back from the gym, but today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial, which is something that I don't know if I feel the most comfortable about, but I have gotten a lot of requests actually to show you guys how I do my hair, like a curly, wavy hair tutorial. So that's what we are going to do today. If you do like this video, I hope you will give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you go. So yeah, if you want to see how I get my hair curly, then please keep watching. I just got back from the gym and this is reality, folks. This is what it looks like. I kind of figured I would hop in the shower. I have a few different ways of how I do my hair. Like a lot of times if I know I have to get up and be ready super early in the morning, I will shower in the evening, put product in, let it dry, and touch it up in the morning. But for today, I figured I would just shower, show you what I do with my diffuser, and we'll go from there. So I'll just take my hair out and let me show you what my hair looks like to start. There is product in here from yesterday. So I would say my hair is like wavy, and some of it's straight, some of it's frizzy. I'm gonna look in the viewfinder for a second, but like up here, there's not a whole lot of product left, so you can kind of like see what I'm talking about. Like it's just much straighter up here, and then as I get to like the under sections of my hair, it's just naturally much more curly, although I feel like you can't even see that right now. But I'm just gonna brush out my hair, give you guys an idea of what we're working with before it gets wet. And this is that wet brush. So if you don't have a wet brush, I highly recommend it. I did a review on it and I will link it up in the cards. You can go check that out if you want. Yeah, so I mean, shoot. But like you can see, I mean, I have a lot of hair. I mean, just to kind of show you, like this is just half my hair. Like that's like a legit ponytail in and of itself. And it's just, I don't know, it's a lot. All right, I'm gonna go hop in the shower and I'll be right back. I just got out of the shower and I'll take my hair down. I guess from here, it really depends like how I'm going to go about doing my hair. It just depends on what my time frame is like. What I usually do is I just kind of start letting it dry. I don't know, my hair just kind of works better when there's less weight on it. So I'll brush it through and then I just kind of start scrunching it. And then I just do my makeup and I just let it start to air dry. And then like halfway through, I'll just put a little bit of product on, keep doing my makeup, and then when I'm done with my makeup, I will go in and apply the rest of my product. If it's a little bit wet, then I will go in with a diffuser. For today, I think since I have the time, and I think most people probably want to blow dry their hair, I'm going to do it with the blow dryer. And I'm going to show you some of my favorite products for each strategy. If I'm doing my hair in the evening, I really do enjoy this Garnier Fructis Curl Construct Creation Mousse. It's really good and super cheap. I will say I really do enjoy the Garnier Fructis line for my hair. It works really well. There are parabens still in the formula, so if you can't do parabens, then sorry. Anyways, I do enjoy this for that purpose in the evening. If I were to just apply it right now on wet hair and walk out the door, it feels crunchy, and I don't love crunchy. I like bouncy, naturally looking curl, or natural curly looking hair. I enjoy natural curly looking hair. Not the crunch, not the shiny, like wet look. When I sleep in it, it like, I don't know, it has time to like fully dry, and when I wake up in the morning, I can like scrunch it. I don't know. It doesn't work that way though when it air dries. So that's that product. If I were to go in and just let it air dry and do my makeup and all that jazz, I might put just like a little bit of a serum in while it's drying. The reason why I don't always is because once I put a serum in my hair, it takes my hair longer to dry. I don't know. I feel like it just depends on what kind of mood I'm in. But the serum that I like to use is the BioSilk Silk Therapy. This is really old. I got it at TJ Maxx, I think. You can get it there pretty cheap. But I will use this on and off. Like, I feel like it's always been really good to me, but every once in a while I will try some more expensive products. I really do enjoy Kevin Murphy, but his products are really expensive. So right now I am trying not to spend a ton of money on products because I feel like I have just gone crazy in the past. So I'm kind of back on this bandwagon. If you're looking for a high-end serum and you don't mind spending the money, look into Kevin Murphy. This one, like I said, it is high-end, but you can usually find it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. And then I have just had a lot more luck with curling creams as far as going in and doing the styling. And I really like using the creams on dry hair. Once my hair is dry, I will just go in and like scrunch it through, and it gives my hair like a conditioned, formed curl, but it's not crunchy and it's very weightless. I think the key in getting a good curling product, if you have curly, frizzy hair, is getting something that's going to be conditioning, not too conditioning, and not sticky, but that's going to be lightweight and not weigh your curls down. Now this is kind of funny. So I love the Frederic Fur High Lashes Curls Cream, but I was looking for a more affordable dupe for that, and I had found this Garnier Fructis Soft Curls Cream product, and oh my gosh, I love it. I mean, it says shapely, frizz-free curls, but they discontinued it, you guys. They discontinued it, and I lost my when I was working for Pure and I was just all over the country in and out of Ulta's, when they did discontinue it, they marked it down. I think it was, yeah, there's a price tag on here, $2.99. I kid you not. Like, every Ulta I went into, I purchased like one or two of them. I think I had like a total of 12 by the end of it. I still have this one, which is almost gone, 2, whoops, 3, and 4. I put that other one down. So I still have 4 of these, basically 3, because that one is most of the way done. Yeah, I left Pure in 2013. So yeah, we're talking 5 years. I don't even know if the rest of those are good, but like when I'm die hard about a product, I am die hard. So when I was getting requests, people wanting me to show you how I do my hair, that is like what I use most consistently, but I know how much that would suck if you guys couldn't get it. So I was looking just to see, because I had reached out to Garnier to say, you know, are you gonna bring it back ever? And they had initially said no, and I don't know if this is the same, you guys, but I found this product. It's the Garnier Curl Sculpt Conditioning Cream. Hey, that was rude. I'm a little bit like reluctant to try it right now just because, I mean, I guess we'll try it. If it sucks and it's not good, I will just go rewash my hair and redo this. But yeah, let's do this. All right, so you can see like my hair does dry pretty quickly, and I don't know if that's a redhead thing. I know redheads like have more coarse hair than your average person. That's just a fact, but it dries very quickly. When I am doing my hair curly, just pro tip, when you're in the shower, I like to do conditioner, and I say pro tip, I'm definitely not a hair pro. This is just what works for me. I wanna make sure you guys understand that. In the shower, I will condition my hair first, wash my body, let the conditioner like sit in my hair, and then I will go through and shampoo, just because I feel like, again, sometimes the conditioner can weigh my hair down. Doing the shampoo last or skipping the conditioner has helped me, but I don't like to skip the conditioner because my hair's dry. So yeah.
2,000 years later.
Now I'm going to do just the tiniest bit of the BioSilk product, because you do want to usually put something in your hair before you apply heat to it, just to protect it. So I don't know if you saw, I should have showed you, but like the littlest bit. But I'm just gonna kind of scrunch it through. Like at this point, I don't really want to run my fingers through my hair anymore because I'm trying to keep it curly. Now, one thing, when I'm in front of my sink, it's easier, and I should have brought just like a spray bottle of water, but water can be like a really good tool to use. Like if your hair is starting to dry and it's not curling in certain places, just add a little bit of water and then scrunch. And if you have time to let it air dry a little bit, I like to do that more than applying the heat. Because sometimes I feel like when I use my blow dryer, it blows some of the curls out if I'm not careful. Now I'm gonna just repeat. And now I feel like I need to add a little bit more water. I'm gonna go run and do that really fast. Be right back. All right, actually, I just ran and I grabbed a bottle of water, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that because I feel like this is kind of important. I want you guys to see this. So I'm like just getting a very little bit, just enough to like get my hands wet and my pants now. There's literally water all over my pants because that was a super smart decision. So my hands are a little wet, and I'm just gonna go in and try and give my hair a little bit more curl up on this top layer. I don't know if you can see that, but I feel like that helped a bit. Okay, so now we're most of the way dry. And this is where I'm like, should I try the new, let's be daring, let's try it. All right, here goes nothing. I'm gonna start with like just a very little bit and see how this goes. They do call this a gel. It's a cream gel, I think. Yeah, they're calling it a cream gel. So the consistency is different than the product that I usually go for, but let's just see. I kind of start at the roots of my hair and then work, or not the roots. Told you guys I don't do hair. I start at the ends of my hair and then just work my way up to the roots. But it's not sticky. Okay, this is exciting. Let me look in the mirror because I can't really tell in the viewfinder. Oh, you guys, this is promising. Okay, Garnier. Again, I'm going in with a very little bit and rubbing. Like I really like to make sure I have like it evenly on my hands so I'm not getting like clumps in my hair. I'm always so careful like up here, but I usually like kind of flatten out the frizz and then I go back to give it the volume. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So I do a serum in the beginning, then I do a cream when I'm most of the way dry. Sometimes I have to go in and use the diffuser again, just a little bit if I'm, you know, a little bit damp still, but I'm feeling pretty dry. If I have to go in with a diffuser again, I'll usually go back in with a little bit more cream and just repeat the steps. And then once I'm done, I usually like to go in with a spray just to kind of like seal the deal. Not a hairspray, but like a curl spray. And the one that I have loved is the Diva Curl Set It Free. I picked this up during the Sephora VIB sale. It is a little bit pricier, but I'm almost gone at this point. I kind of use it intermittently, but I'm probably going to repurchase this. I really do enjoy it. But since the Garnier products have been working for me, I happened to see this. It is their Curl Renew Reactivating Milk Spray. Curl Renew instantly redefines natural curls without weighing down hair. Our no crunch, no drying alcohol formula smooths frizz, leaving curls soft and shiny. Sounds good to me. You see what it looks like now. If this is a no-go, it's a no-go, but let's test it. Oh, okay. That's nice and soft. Oh, I like this. Let's see. I don't know why. I feel like going from side to side when I scrunch my hair helps. Yeah, as I'm scrunching, it is not crunchy. My hair is not crunchy at all. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so yeah. Before I give this my seal of approval, I really like the way that it applied and it went on. It felt similar to my higher end products in the way that they work. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and just kind of go through my normal activities, and then I will check back in with you guys. I am back. I know the lighting probably looks different because I ended up doing some Instagram makeup, then I ran around, and then I cleaned the house. And yes, I am in a sports bra. It is so hot here in Florida. I just kind of whatever. I am obsessed with these hair products. I think they are amazing. You can probably tell now my hair is like completely dry. It did not dry crunchy at all. I did off camera after I went into the bathroom and I was doing my makeup, I took a little bit more water and just did the ends and a little bit right here and just let it air dry. But I really highly recommend those two Garnier products. I will be sure to put all of the products that I mentioned in the description bar down below. So if you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.